Welcome back to Tech Trends and Solutions. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of radio and television broadcasting and how technology is revolutionizing the way we consume media. Get ready to explore the future of media consumption and the innovations that will shape it. Section 1: The Evolution of Broadcasting. Let's start by taking a look at the evolution of broadcasting. The evolution of broadcasting has been a fascinating journey that spans over a century. From its early days of simple radio broadcasts to the current era of streaming services and social media, broadcasting has undergone several significant transformations. One of the earliest forms of broadcasting was radio, which became popular in the 1920s. At first, radio was used primarily for news and entertainment broadcasts, such as music and drama programs. But over time, it evolved to include educational programming, talk shows, and sports broadcasts. Television broadcasting emerged in the 1940s and quickly became the dominant form of broadcasting. With television, viewers could not only hear but also see the action, which added a new dimension to entertainment and news programming. In the early days of television, broadcasts were limited to a few channels, and programming was often scheduled around specific times of day. The next major transformation in broadcasting came with the advent of cable television in the 1970s. Cable brought a wider range of programming options to viewers, including specialty channels dedicated to sports, news, and entertainment. Cable also allowed for more targeted advertising, which made it a more attractive medium for marketers. The internet revolution of the 1990s brought yet another transformation to broadcasting. With the growth of the internet, viewers gained access to an even wider range of programming options. Streaming services like Netflix and Hulu have now replaced traditional cable and broadcast TV as the preferred method of watching television and movies. Social media has also played a significant role in the evolution of broadcasting. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have given broadcasters and content creators new ways to reach audiences and connect with viewers. Live streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube Live have also emerged, providing opportunities for people to broadcast live events and reach large audiences in real time. Broadcasting has undergone significant transformations over the past century, from the early days of radio and television to the current era of streaming services and social media. As technology continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how broadcasting continues to change and adapt to new platforms and new ways of reaching audiences. Section 2: The Impact of the Internet and Streaming Services. The internet and streaming services have had a profound impact on the broadcasting industry. With platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube, viewers now have access to a vast array of content on demand. This shift has led to the rise of cord cutting and the decline of traditional cable and satellite TV subscriptions. The internet and streaming services have had a significant impact on the broadcasting industry. The rise of the internet has enabled broadcasters to reach a wider audience, with people now able to access content from around the world with just a few clicks. Streaming services, in particular, have transformed the way people consume media. One of the most significant impacts of streaming services has been the shift towards on-demand content. Viewers are no longer restricted to watching programs at a specific time or on a particular channel. They can watch what they want, when they want, on a variety of devices. This has led to a decline in traditional linear TV viewing, with many people opting to watch content via streaming services instead. Another major impact of the internet and streaming services has been the rise of user-generated content. Platforms like YouTube and Twitch have enabled anyone with an internet connection to create and share their own content. This has opened up new opportunities for aspiring broadcasters and content creators, and has also given viewers a wider range of content to choose from. Streaming services have also disrupted the traditional business models of the broadcasting industry. Instead of relying on advertising revenue, streaming services generate revenue from subscription fees. This has led to the emergence of new players in the industry, such as Netflix and Amazon Prime Video, who have invested heavily in producing their own content. The impact of the internet and streaming services on broadcasting has been profound. These technologies have transformed the way people consume media, and have created new opportunities and challenges for broadcasters and content creators alike. Section 3: The Role of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing an increasingly important role in the broadcasting industry. From content recommendation algorithms to automated video editing and production, these technologies are transforming the way we create and consume media. Let's delve into the potential applications and benefits of AI and machine learning in broadcasting. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are revolutionizing the broadcasting industry by providing solutions that automate various processes, enhance the quality of content, and improve the viewer experience. Here are some of the roles that AI and ML are playing in broadcasting. 1. Personalized content recommendations. AI algorithms analyze the viewing behavior of viewers to provide personalized content recommendations. This not only improves the viewer experience but also increases engagement and loyalty. 2. Automated content creation. AI and ML can automate the creation of news stories, video clips, and other content types. This reduces the time and effort required to produce content while maintaining a high level of quality. 3. Real-time content moderation. AI-powered tools can automatically moderate content in real time, ensuring that inappropriate content is not broadcasted to viewers. 4. Streamlined workflow. AI and ML can automate various production processes, such as video editing and post-production. This not only reduces the workload for broadcasters but also ensures a faster turnaround time for content delivery. 5. Enhanced video and audio quality. AI and ML can enhance the quality of video and audio content by reducing noise, improving clarity, and optimizing colors. 6. Ad insertion. AI algorithms can identify the most appropriate time to insert ads during a broadcast, ensuring that the viewer experience is not disrupted. 7. Audience measurement and analytics. AI and ML can analyze viewer data to provide insights into audience behavior, preferences, and engagement levels. This information can be used to improve content, target ads, and drive revenue. AI and ML are playing a significant role in the broadcasting industry, providing solutions that automate processes, enhance content quality, and improve the viewer experience. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the future. Section 4. The future of media consumption. Finally, let's explore the future of media consumption. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative ways to consume content. From virtual reality and augmented reality experiences to personalized, interactive content, the possibilities are endless. The future of media consumption in broadcasting is likely to be shaped by a number of factors, including technological advancements, changing consumer preferences, and the continued growth of digital platforms. One of the key trends that is likely to shape the future of media consumption is the increasing prevalence of mobile devices. With the rise of smartphones and tablets, consumers are now able to access media content on the go, at any time and from any location. This has led to a shift away from traditional television viewing towards more on-demand and personalized content, which can be accessed via mobile apps and streaming services. Another important trend is the growth of social media and user-generated content. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have become hugely popular with younger audiences, who are increasingly consuming media content through social channels rather than traditional television. As a result, broadcasters are now investing in social media strategies to engage with younger audiences and promote their content through these channels. In addition to these trends, the future of media consumption is likely to be shaped by technological advancements such as artificial intelligence and virtual reality. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way that consumers engage with media content, offering new and immersive experiences that were previously impossible. The future of media consumption on broadcasting is likely to be shaped by a combination of technological advancements, changing consumer preferences, and the continued growth of digital platforms. As broadcasters adapt to these trends and invest in new technologies and strategies, they will be able to stay ahead of the curve and continue to engage audiences in new and innovative ways. In conclusion, the future of media consumption in broadcasting is set to be revolutionized by the power of technology. As we've seen, advancements in mobile devices, social media, and emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and virtual reality are all set to shape the way that we consume media content in the years to come. As broadcasters adapt to these changes and invest in new strategies and technologies, they will be able to engage audiences in new and innovative ways. Whether it's through on-demand and personalized content, immersive virtual experiences, or social media engagement, the possibilities are endless. So, as we look ahead to the future of media consumption, we can be confident that technology will continue to play a central role in shaping the way that we consume and engage with media content. The future is bright, and we can't wait to see what the next chapter holds for broadcasting and the wider media industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of radio and television broadcasting, and the power of technology in revolutionizing media consumption. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of the future of media and the innovations that will shape it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Trends and Solutions for more insightful tech content.